What's up, guys? Welcome back. So today I want to remind you to be excited about the process. Be excited about anxiety recovery. We are not just trying to get rid of anxiety. We are trying to change our life. You have to be in the business of changing your life, developing a new lifestyle, one that's going to give you a lot more benefits than just getting rid of these freaking anxiety symptoms. The anxiety symptoms going away, that's a bonus. But guess what? On the other side of this, you're going to be a stronger person than what you were before. You're going to be healthier. Fitness is going to be a big part of your life. Eating healthy is going to be a big part of your life. Guess what? That's going to make you live longer. You're going to be happier. You're going to be better at, keeping your stress levels down so it never gets to this point again. You're going to be more mindful, more present, more gracious, more thankful. A better husband, a better father, boyfriend, girlfriend, son, daughter, whatever, brother, sister. You're going to be a better person when this is over. Isn't that worth getting excited about? Think about it like this. You have two people that go to the gym. Let's say that they go every day. The consistency is the same between them. All right? Jonathan over here, he loves working out, right? He loves it. It brings joy and happiness. It's just a huge, huge thing. He loves it. He understands that it's not just about results, it's his identity, right? It's Jonathan's identity. But we got Joe over here. He drags himself into the gym every day, which is better than not going, right? It's better than not going. You're still going to get results. So I want you guys to understand that. Even if you are looking at this as homework or a chore, you can still get results, but they're not going to be maximum results. And in this case, we're talking about full recovery and a full lifestyle change, right? So you got Jonathan who loves it. Then you got Joe over here. And he drags himself into the gym every day. They stay the same amount of time. They go every single day. The consistency is the same. Who do you think is going to have the better looking physique? Who do you think is going to get the maximum results? Probably Jonathan, because he loves it, right? He loves it. His subconscious is bought in. He probably pushes himself harder in the gym than Joe does. He probably has better form. He probably stretches more. He's probably setting more PRs every day. Think about it. He loves it. His body and mind is all bought in. That's just one example. Exercise. Same thing with two people doing a diet plan or two people sitting down to do meditation. You got to stop looking at these things that you're trying to do for your anxiety as chores. Why would your subconscious be so excited about it if you're not even excited about it? You know what I mean? And even if you are excited about it from a conscious perspective, it's going to take like a month or so. I was talking about sticking with something long enough. 1 to 3 months for your subconscious to get excited about it. Right? So why in the hell would your subconscious be all bought in on this whole thing and be totally open to things like mindfulness and, dieting and, working on your affirmations, being thankful, doing exposure, changing your life and rewiring if you're not even excited about it? So you need to get excited about it. It's not about just trying to get these symptoms to shut off. Guys, we have to stop being so symptom focused. You have to be in the business about changing your life. Think about that. You need to change your life. You are at a point where your subconscious is fed up and you have to make changes to live the rest of your life in a happy way, right? For your subconscious to not be screaming at you via these symptoms. You're at a point where you have to level up. You're at a fork in the road. You need new skills. You need, new lifestyle habits and changes. You need a routine. You have to face your fears more for this next part of your life, this next chapter of your life. And until you buy in and accept that, you're going to keep having symptoms. You're going to keep having panic attacks. You're going to keep having all these negative, intrusive thoughts, spiraling thoughts, irrational thoughts. And it's going to keep getting worse, and it's going to keep spreading. I've talked about that before. This thing gets worse if you don't actively work on it. So get excited about the process. Get excited about working out because it's like I'm gonna look better, I'm gonna feel better, I'm adding years to my life. It can't be like I'm working out just because I want my my chest pains to stop or my thoughts to settle down. It doesn't need to be just about the anxiety. And also, I could make a point, if your whole freaking day in life is about getting anxiety to go away, ironically, I feel like it can keep it there. You know? It shows that you're afraid of it. And my whole day has to be about keeping this away, resisting, no, 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 no. And I've told you guys many times, anxiety is going to do the opposite of what we want it to do. So our whole day can't be like, I got to keep the symptoms away, I got to keep these symptoms down. That's a miserable way to live. So you got to change your life. You got to be in the business about changing your life. So if you watched it this far, go down below and in the comment section, I want you to type up in all caps, I will get excited about the process. I will get excited about the process. And speaking of the process, speaking of recovery, if you want more help with your recovery process, check out my course, Elite Anxiety Bootcamp. I'm going to put it down below in the description and in the first pinned comment. Very, very affordable. It's my step-by-step process on how I personally overcame generalized anxiety disorder, health anxiety, and panic disorder. I was having panic attacks as well every single day for years, multiple a day. It was very, very tough, but I was able to get myself out of that. I believe you can too, but you need consistency, right? You need routine, you need structure, you need foundation, you need a mindset change, a perception change. This is kind of one of those perception changes hopefully you can adopt today. I got to get excited about this. I can't view these things as just chores or homework. This is my new identity. This is going to be a part of me the rest of my life. So try out that program if you're interested. My coaching info is down below. Just shoot me an email and I will send you all of my information. There's a link for online therapy down there as well. Check that out if you haven't. We got some sirens going by. All my other social media stuff is down below. But I love you guys, and until next time, keep fighting.